Greetings everyone. I am Chaitanya Gupta and I am currently doing Bachelor's in Technology in Computer Science from Deen Bandhu Choturam University of Science and Technology, Mootal. Today I would like to present to you a web application that I, along with my team, have built in order for the Versa Hackathon competition. The topic for the competition was transforming healthcare through technology innovations. For this hackathon, we have chosen from the list of problem statements. We have chosen the second statement, which was to make an instant scheduling of appointment for patient with doctor. So, so today we have built an application, a real-time application for appointment bookings, and I would like to present to you the site now. Doctor's Book. Doctor's Book is our site, and Doctor's Book is having a motto of making the appointments process easier. So with Doctor's Book, patients can connect with doctors all around the world, and like in several places, and can book appointment very easily from the convenience of their homes. Now, I would like to tell you about the project a little bit. This project is built as a part of Versa Technologies Hackathon, which I already mentioned, and with the aim of transforming healthcare through technology innovations. So the submission is made by students of Deen Bandhu Choturam University of Science and Technology, Mootal. So now let me introduce the services that this application provides. The first service includes easy bookings. So you can find availability of all the doctors and book an appointment. So this by this the patient can check the availability of the doctors and book an appointment with them. Find doctors nearby. So this application provides you with the ability to find the doctors which are near to your current location. So after that, you real-time booking. So this application also provides the functionality of real-time bookings, and it ensures that there are no conflicting consultations for the doctor and the patients. Now, so this is what our team structure look like. So our team consists of me, myself, Chaitanya Gupta, Kashish, Ashish, Ankit, and we have built this project for the Versa Hackathon. Now this is a simple contact us page for contacting with us. So let me walk you through the appointment procedures of how a patient can register through the site and then book an appointment with the doctor. So let me go to the register page. So our structure looks something like this. So a user can enter their details in these forms in these places. If it's a normal user, he can just register by clicking on this button. If he is a doctor, he can select this optional doctor's toggle and enter these details as well for registering him as a doctor. Currently I'll register a user and show it to you. So let's create a demo user, and let's register it now. So this will be how he will be presented when he enters the site. So this is the dashboard for the users. So they will be shown a list of doctors in the hospitals which are registered through the site. So as you can see, there are various hospitals like Civil Hospital, Max Hospital, Nidan Hospital, and there the list can go on. And it also shows the details about the doctor name, specialization, the address, city and state, everything. The user also get the functionality to sort them by the distance. So as you can see, when I click on the sort by distance, the Nidan Hospital, which is the nearest to me, appears first, then the Civil Hospital, and then the Max Hospital. So these are sorted correctly according to my current geolocation. Now if a user decides to book an appointment with any hospital, let's suppose from the first hospital only, so he'll go to that page, he'll select a date, he'll choose from the available slots which are there. So currently we have generalized slots like from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. So let's suppose he books a slot on like at 11 a.m. So he select it and then he book appointment. Now when he, if his appointment is successful, he will be prompted like this, that your booking is successful with the date on which the booking has been done. When he clicks on OK, he'll be redirected to the appointment page where he will be shown a list of the bookings that he has done. So just like, and all the details will be shown like this. So like the hospital name, doctor name, the address, city, etc. He'll be also shown the date and the timings. The status option here indicates the status of the of his appointment. So let's suppose uh, so there are basically three status codes for it. Let me show it to you. Like if a user login, like I already have registered this user over here. So if he goes to the his appointment page, he'll be seeing like the slots which are on the dates or the time which has been passed. So it will be shown attended. If the time is currently in between of the time slot, it will be shown as in progress. If the time is after it, it will be shown in upcoming state. So this is how our our application looks like for a normal user. Now let me walk you through the application as it looks to the doctor. So as I have told you, the doctor can simply go to the sign up page and register it like that. So now let me log in to a doctor. So the doctor will be shown like this. When he clicks on view profile, his profile will be shown like with the hospital name, doctor name, general physician, sector, the addresses and everything. When he clicks on the appointments page, he'll be shown the list of users who have registered on a particular slots on with the dates and the timings. So this is the thing which is for the doctor. Now a very important thing which is there are the validation for the bookings page. So let's suppose, let me log into the user that I just created. So this is the user, and now let's suppose and now I'll be showing you the validations which are there for the bookings page. So the first validation is that you cannot book a slot which for whose the time has been passed. So as you can see, the time is just about to be 5 and all the slots before 5 are basically disabled. So you cannot book any slot, and this is similar for everything, every date which is like in the previous time. Then the second form of validation is like just as I shown that a user has booked at a particular time slot. Now if I go again on that particular date, like on 6th, and I'll be seeing that the 11 to 12 time slot has been booked and cannot be booked again. One more like the last, like a very important another validation is, what if two users are currently sitting on my website, and let's suppose both of them are willing to book an appointment for 5th May and 12 p.m. So let me duplicate this site, and for 5th May and 12 p.m. So both of them are sitting on the site, and now what if the first person first books the site? So let's suppose he books an appointment over here. So his appointment will be shown successful, and the booking will be shown in the appointment page. But when the other user tries to book the appointment, he'll be shown that slot already got filled, so you can please find another time slot, and he'll be redirected to the same page again. So these are the form of validation that we have included in the application for making it robust and an error prone. Now, so these are the various routes which are over here. Also, I would like to show you, if somebody tries to go to a page which is not there, he'll be shown a 404 page which looks something like this, and he also gets an option to get redirected to the home page. So that's all about the project. Now this project has been built using the Modern stack, where we have used ReactJS for the front end with the Redux library for the state management. We have used Node.js and Express.js for building the server and the backend. We have used MongoDB as our database, and in this project we have used the best coding practices which are prevalent in the industry. Also, as far the testing for this application is concerned, the we have done a huge amount of testing. Like for the APIs, we have done the testing on Postman, where we have uh, checked each and every API individually. Also, we have done the alpha testing within our team. So this website is error free and will will provide you all the services which were mentioned in the project description. So so that's all. Thank you.